Hello guys, today it is Cool Pup here, and today we are back with another video. I may sound really glitchy and weird today, and I may have a watermark, but hopefully I will get that problem resolved. I hope I may get blue long spike, which is actually a really good deal for my trade list. I don't know. I don't even know if I want to trade away my pink long. I'm really I'm mostly I will add, I have to say my audio is better than I had it last time. And I'm really just looking for some fun stuff to do with you guys. Maybe some collabs, some giveaways. I need items to give away because, yeah. I guess I will give away something today. A little something. And I guess I will do some live streams. I just need to figure that all out, because this is my first ever video. And yeah, I'm just playing this. I hope I get the pink fluffy fluff. Give me my pink sloth over here. This isn't a life hack that works, but I'm sorry, I just had dinner. Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so creepy. This is a new one. Why can I not get one? I spent like 100 gems. No, I haven't. Total how many gems I spend in the comments. And I got the exact same one I already have. Wow, look at the twins. The twinsies. Yes. Yeah. I'm looking for a pink skunk tail. Like, skunk tails are really popular for the non-members because, yeah. Trade me, please. Sorry if I decline. Yeah. So, I'm going to figure out what I'm going to give away. See, is there like anything? And then help me. What does it say? I like turtles. And memes. That's hill. I guess this. I want this claw. I like claws. I don't even. Do I have a Linux claw? This. I don't. I have no idea if I have a Linux claw or not. But I hope it's not worth much because I don't think it is worth. Yeah, it's in the diamond shop. I mean, like, I don't want to have to trade any really good rares. I'm sorry, no, that's not fair. What the heck? Where is the girl that did that art? Because I got this art forever ago. They were giving away, like, free art. Like, be my buddy again, girl. She did this. Is Pink Tree member? I don't know, I'm gonna leave this girl's bench. She wants my art, but I don't really want to give away my art. So I guess we can find something to give away today. Maybe like a pet, I guess. Can you buy pet? I need to find something to give away now. A lot of you guys are like, give away that! But I'm not that rare and I don't want to give away like some of my favorite rares. I know this is worth a long wrist, but I'm trying to trade it for a purple long wrist when I once I get my purple long, then I'm gonna get some purple cupids and I'll be all purple. So I'm trying to get a blue long, then like add a little something. I guess today we could give away what do I give away? I have no idea what the heck to give away. To give away. I need something to give away. I'm probably be like really picky, but they get a personal buddy request, and if it's anything under, oh, these are so cute. Oh, it's so precious. Oh my gosh, giving away orange long. No. It's milkshake, horses, whatever. Oh my gosh! Let me enter den! Oh my gosh, please. Just let me in her den. I want to go in her den. In her den. One orange long so badly. Please, I can give away my orange long. Okay, thank the Lord. I made it. Oh, I made it. I don't even care anymore. I made it. Oscar and Zing, 2017. Eat the moose. I guess I'll send him. Oh gosh, did he quit, AJ? Did he get like hacked? Or is he just like all black? Whee! Whee! Making a vid. Yeah, I'm making a vid. Yeah, guys. This is Milkshake Horses. You deserve a buddy. You deserve a buddy. Buddy, this girl, yay. Oh, she has some milk. She traded, she made this. It's cute. It's so chibi. I need to give that. I'm gonna spin the wheel for you guys. Okay. Oh, I love guys. Shout out to Milkshake Horse. She did not. I need something to give away, but if I win this, I most likely trade it up for a purple long. Or the only male one here. Most likely. Oh, that probably just went. I'm making some beautiful. Yay, me. Nothing is on me. Hey Milkshake, well, giving away her orange long will definitely support me and my likings for her. Even if I don't win this, she'll still... Stag. Okay, it's an old account. Okie doke. No, let me spin. Please. Please, I don't mean to be greedy, but oh my gosh. Are those real glossy? No way, she has real glossies. Look, you can tell. You can just tell those are real glossies. Whoa. I'm crossing my fingers and my toe. Ta. Though I don't have French chat. Then how are you saying that? Boop. You already. Congrats. Please. I feel like it's her spare account. I'm sort of sad, but it's got the shout out. Yeah. Well, she's nice, unless this is her spare, then. Well, good job, Milkshake. It was luck. Like, yuck. It was luck. Luck. It's easy as luck. Oh my gosh. Milkshake. With a purple one. And you won. I don't know, really. Me. Free. Okay, well, if I get... Oh my gosh. My Hamilton game is playing. Let's see. I'll add that. I'll do the same trade that I was doing before, but I'll minus my cupids. I mean, there only was a few rims, but yeah. Have that. Oh, I had a pet. We're also going to add. I had some masterpieces, and yeah. Guess we can add my Afari beard. We can mix it a bit more, but HD home. Let's see. We have my two masterpieces